Balsamic isn't an ingredient that you'd typically find in Asian cooking, but I like to play around with ingredients to create unexpected flavor combinations. I chose to use it for flavor in two places in my recipe for balsamic soy skirt steak with balsamic fish sauce onions. When I'm looking for sweetness in a dish, I don't always reach for sugar. I like to get creative and substitute in other ingredients that will amplify flavor while providing that sweetness, like balsamic vinegar of Modena. In this case, soy sauce combines with the balsamic in a marinade. The balsamic lends an acidity and sweetness while the soy provides saltiness. You want to use a marinade to help break down tougher proteins like beef or lamb. When you're removing the steak from the marinade, make sure to remove any excess so that the sugar doesn't build up and burn when cooking. Most chefs prefer to cook meat to medium rare because the longer steak cooks, the tougher it gets, and we're looking for a nice, tender texture. We're going to top this steak with delicious balsamic and fish sauce glazed onions. The goal is to balance the whole dish with salt, sweetness, and acid. In Asian cuisine, it's very typical to marry these profiles. Glazed balsamic onions are a classic recipe, and I wanted to add more flavor and give it my own spin by using Asian ingredients like fish sauce and palm sugar. Here I used an ingredient from Italy and combined it with typical Asian ingredients to create something unique and delicious. We substituted balsamic for sugar and soy for salt. Don't be afraid to get creative and try new things. There's a whole world of flavor combinations just waiting to be discovered.